Welcome to Bike Zone, where we break down the hottest upcoming machines. Today, we're talking about the new 2026 Yamaha YZ 250, a dirt bike that pushes classic two-stroke power into a new generation. Engine and performance. The 2026 YZ 250 keeps its legendary 249 cubic centimeters two-stroke heart but receives refined port timing, a lighter piston, and improved exhaust flow. These updates deliver sharper throttle response, faster rev pickup, and more usable low-end torque, perfect for riders who want explosive power on the track or trail. Chassis and handling. Yamaha upgrades the frame with optimized rigidity, offering better balance between stability and flexibility. The KYB suspension now features enhanced compression adjustability, giving riders more control over rough terrain. Combined with a lighter swing arm, the YZ 250 feels more planted and nimble than ever. Braking and control. The 2026 model brings a redesigned front brake system with a larger rotor and improved caliper stiffness. The clutch feel is smoother, and revised ergonomics, like slimmer shrouds and improved seat contour, make movement easier during aggressive riding. Design and aesthetics. Yamaha introduces refreshed bodywork, bold graphics, and a more aerodynamic front fender. Weight reduction remains a priority, keeping the bike light and competition-ready while looking modern and aggressive. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 250 blends classic two-stroke excitement with modern engineering. Better suspension, sharper brakes, and updated ergonomics make it a serious contender for riders aiming for top performance in 2026. Let us know what you think, only on Bike Zone. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks watching video.